Let us see this. We can identify in shortcut also. So we know x of t equal to a naught plus sigma n equal to 1 to infinity a n cos n omega naught t plus sigma n equal to 1 to infinity bn sin n omega naught t. So here symmetry we see. Suppose given signal is even, like x of t equal to x of minus t. If this is, then in this equation this is even term, right? This is odd term. So whenever the given periodic signal is even, so an should be there. Bn is 0, right? So you need to find an, and bn is equal to 0. Suppose given signal is odd signal, means it should be having odd terms. So bn will be there and an is 0, right? See, if you write this equation, it will be having all cos terms because an is there, right? So it will be having cos term. If it is this one odd signal, it will be having all sin terms. See, odd signal will be having sin terms, even signal will be having cos terms. That's what cos and sin. And if it is t-axis symmetry, then a naught equal to 0. A naught means average value will get 0, right? Above the t and below the t area should be same. Then we'll get average value 0. Further I'm going, if this condition is satisfied, then you can verify half wave symmetry. Half wave symmetry. This half wave symmetry's condition is x of t equal to minus x of t plus or minus t by 2. If any waveform it is satisfying this condition, then in final mathematical equation you will be having n, you will be having odd harmonics. But before applying this one, it should be t-axis symmetry. Clear? So let us see example 1. So given this signal, how the mathematical equation will be, what are the terms will be containing mathematical equation by seeing these steps. Okay. So here, whether it is even signal or odd signal, if you find x of t equal to x of minus t, even though time reversal if you perform, you will get same signal only, right? So it is a even signal. Then if it is even signal, an term will be there and bn equal to 0, right? If bn is equal to 0 means all sin terms are 0, but in a mathematical equation you will be having all cos terms. Next, so it is even, it is not odd signal. Next, what is the average value? See, this area and this area is same, so average value is 0. Like one fellow is getting 100, another fellow is getting minus 100, 100 minus 100, 100 minus 100. What is the average value? 0, right? So if it is 0, then you can apply half wave symmetry. What is this? Is this one x of t plus t by 2 we want. So what will happen? This complete signal, it will shift by half. So next what you will get? This is t, x of t plus t by 2 we want. Okay. So what will happen? This one, it will shift left, right? So it will be like this, right? So this is 0, this is t by 2, t minus t. This much amount of part is shifted left. So next, if you perform amplitude reversal, then what you will get? Minus x of t plus t by 2. So you will get, so you are getting same signal, right? So it is a half wave symmetry. So x of t equal to minus x of t plus t by 2. So it is satisfying half wave symmetry. So in mathematical equation you will be having n equal to odd harmonics will be there. So what is the final equation? So here you can observe this mathematical equation has, it is a even signal, that's why all cos terms are there, and DC value a naught is not there, and it is following half wave symmetry, that's why n here odd harmonics 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, see all odd only you are getting. You can choose directly option this one. Let us see this example, whether it is even signal or odd signal. X of t equal to x of minus t. If you perform time reversal, the same you will get the signal, right? So it is a even signal. If it is even signal, then an will be there and bn equal to 0. An is there means you will get all cos terms in the mathematical equation. Next, is it DC value 0? No, right? See, 1 is 100, 0. 100, 0 means what you get 50, right? So you'll get A0 equal to A by 2 you are getting. See, DC value is not 0. You cannot apply symmetry property. So then what to do? Then you make 0 first. DC value when you will get 0? See, the signal x of t, I will subtract A by 2. Complete signal. So then I will get like this, right? So now this is A by 2 to minus A by 2. Okay, this is t by 2 only, minus t by 2. Now you can apply symmetry property. For this DC value is 0 only. Now symmetry property, what I will do is now just half wave only I will take it. I won't take complete waveform for simplicity. So x of t plus t by 2, sorry, x of t I will take half wave first. Actually we need to take full wave, okay, but for faster calculation I am taking this one, a by 2 minus a by 2, and I will shift this one by t plus 2. See, x of t plus t by 2, then it will move left side, right? Here a by 2 minus a by 2, and this is minus t by 2, right? Next, if I perform amplitude reversal, then I will be getting minus x of t plus t by 2, then this will be get reversed, right? A by 2 to minus a by 2. See, this part and given this signal both are same, right? So it is satisfying half wave symmetry. It will be having n equal to odd harmonics. So here you can see equation, it is a even signal, that's why you have all cos terms, and DC value you have DC value, and it is satisfying half wave symmetry, that's why 1, 3, 5, 7 all are odd harmonics you have. Let us see example 3. So first this one we need to verify whether it is even or odd signal. So here x of t equal to minus x of minus t, then it is odd signal, right? So here only one period only I will take it. So here x of t, one period t, we need to perform time reversal next. X of minus t, so if you perform time reversal, how will you get it? You will get it like this, right? 0 to minus t. So next amplitude reversal, minus x of minus t. So this peak will come down, this peak will go up, right? So you will get it. So now this period is same, both are same, right? Instead of making complete periodic signal, I am taking one period to show you whether it is even or odd signal. So it is odd signal. So odd signal means an is equal to 0, bn something will be there, right? Then bn is there means in a mathematical equation you will be having sign terms. Next, DC value is 0. See, this area and this area is same. Second is A0 is equal to 0. Then A0 is 0 means you can go for half wave symmetry, right? What is the condition? X of t minus x of t plus t by 2. So half wave only I will take it. This also I am not taking completely. So this is t, x of t, half period up to t by 2 I am taking. This one we need shift by t by 2, right? So it will go left side, right? So x of t plus t by 2, if you perform, how will you get it? You will get it this side, minus t by 2, 0. This is a, right? Next we need to perform amplitude reversal. Then how will you get it? Minus x of t plus t by 2 means this will come down, minus t by 2. So this peak is same, matching, right? If it is matching means it is following half wave symmetry. So you will be having n odd harmonics, right? Then what is the mathematical equation is, here I am writing x of t equal to 4a by pi sin omega naught t plus sin 3 omega naught t by 3 plus sin 5 omega naught t by 5 and so on. See, all sine terms are getting DC value is 0 and all harmonics are 1, 3, 5. Odd harmonics only we are getting. Let us say example 4. See, this is even signal, odd signal. In this also I will take one period only, x of t. So one period is v, right, up to t. Now x of minus t if you perform, what you will get it? V like this, right? So this v is the same, right? So this is a even signal, right? Next, DC value. Is it 0 DC value? No, right? It will be having some DC value. So before applying half wave symmetry, you need to make sure DC value should be 0. So I will make this is 0. Like you need to bring down this complete signal. So something x of t, some minus some DC value if you perform. So it will be like this, right? DC value means center value it is. So here this peak is t by 2, this is t and minus t by 2, right? Now let us go half wave symmetry. So a naught is not equal to 0. From this we can conclude, right? Now half wave symmetry x of t equal to minus x of t plus t by 2, right? So half wave one I am taking. So this is up to t by 2. So this is x of t and this is I am shifting by t by 2. So how it will be? X of t plus t by 2, it will be like this, right? So minus t by 2 it will come here, t by 4 minus t by 4 and 0, right? Next, amplitude reversal if you perform this one, how it will be? It will be like this. Now this signal same, right? So it is following half wave symmetry means it will be having n hard harmonics. Then what is the final equation for this? X of t equal to a by 2, see DC values came, and 4a by pi square cos omega naught t by 1 square plus cos 3 omega naught t by 3 square plus cos 5 omega naught t by 5 square and so on. See, DC value came, it is a even signal, all cos terms came, and half wave symmetry is following, right? All odd harmonics came, right? Let us say example 5. So this is a given periodic signal, whether it is even or odd. So x of t, I am taking one period from here to here it is coming, right? So 0 to t, this is x of t. If you perform x of minus t will be like this, right? So both are same, right? So it is a even signal. So actually you need to take complete waveform. For simplicity only I am taking only one period. Next, so what is the average value? Is it t-axis symmetry? No. So finding average value you need to go with formula. We cannot tell directly, but we will take some approximation, some x of t minus some DC value. If you subtract, this complete waveform come down, right? So I will take some approximation here. It will be on like this something. So this area and this area should be same, and here t by 2 we have. Up to here only I will take half wave symmetry. So here half wave symmetry we need to prove that here x of t I will take from here to here to t by 2, and this we need to shift by x of t plus t by 2. So this will be here, right? Next we need to make amplitude reversal. It will become a minus x of t plus t by 2 if perform. It will be like this, right? See this part is same, no, right? So it is not equal to x of t. So it will be having equation x of t equal to, okay, this is DC value. So because of DC value only it is shifted up this waveform, and here half wave symmetry is not following. That's why here we got even harmonic 2, 4, 6, and it is even signal. That's why we got cos terms. Now let us see example 6, whether it is even or odd. Again I will take one period signal x of t like this, and this is what, like this, right? So this is one period signal, and here I will make time reversal here, x of minus t. If you do with this one, you will get like this, and this one will be like this, right? We have done time reversal. So whether this part is same? No, right? Then go with amplitude reversal, minus of minus t. Then this will be come down, and this will go up, right? And still these both are same? No. So it is not matching with this one means it is not even signal. This not matching with this one means it is not odd signal. Then it is a neither even nor odd signal. So it will be having an will be there and bn will be there. It will be having cos terms and it will be having sine terms. Next, whether it is t-axis symmetry. So this area is matching. So a0 equal to 0. It is t-axis symmetry. Next, if it is 0, then we can directly check half wave symmetry, right? So I will take half wave up to 0 to t by 2. I will take it. Next, I will shift to this one, x of t plus t by 2. So it will be minus t by 2 to 0, right? Next, I will make amplitude reversal. So I am drawing here. So it will come down this one. So minus x of t plus t by 2. So this part of the signal and this part of the signal both are same, right? So it is following half wave symmetry means n you will be having odd harmonics. Then you will be having this equation. See, DC value is 0. It is a neither even nor odd. It will be having cos terms and sine terms, and it is following half wave symmetry. It will be having odd harmonics, that is 1, 3, 5. Yeah, 1, 3, 5. See, almost you can guess which is the equation given for option. Thank you.